Just load your gear, place the bow on a kayak cart, grab the handles, and you're rolling in seconds. Now add the Saturn aluminum sport chair and inflatable sunshade, and you've got a comfortable, stable fishing setup on the water. Everything secures firmly with D-rings and tie-downs, so you can relax and enjoy the ride. And here's where it gets really exciting. Swap in the K4 electric fin, grab the remote, and cruise effortlessly. No paddling, no strain, just smooth movement at 4 to 5 miles per hour. You're essentially turning your board into a remote-controlled boat. Discover the full setup at boatstogo.com.